Koala Studios are beautiful in design and appearance, and packaged to arrive safely with the flexibility of being delivered into the sewer's room of choice. The packaging is designed to remain fully intact until arriving at the final delivery destination and lowered from the delivery truck. Once lowered from the truck, remove the outside plastic wrap and strapping that is secured to the pallet. The interior strapping that is securing the protective base and top box lids of the studio base unit should remain in place until the studio is moved into the final assembly site. The studio component boxes and accessories are stacked atop the studio base unit and designed to be carried into the assembly site packaged. Start with the individual boxes on top, remove the large box lid, and then carry in the additional shelving and accessories. The number of boxes and components will vary depending on the studio options and accessories ordered. With a delivery team of 2, lift the packaged studio base unit off the pallet and carry or wheel it into the assembly site. Furniture straps and dollies are recommended.